akwu ready to be consumed. Goat meat being introduced, our beef being introduced. After introducing our goat meat, so we introduce our goat meat, our cow meat. We introduce our cow meat. This so far is gonna be delicious. Introduce our catfish. So we introduce our to introduce pear. Some it's good on the body, so make sure you eat enough onions. Okay, enough onions on this minus season. Ready to be taken, ready to be consumed. Inaza.
Thank you.
Nessa, what do you have to say?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.
Baby, what do you have to say?
Hi, somebody to comment on my mommy's food.
Carry your food. Daddy.